welcome to another Mario Party 6 minigame review! Last time we reviewed another 2-star minigame that's a free-for-all. Yippee! Yeah, Treasure Trawler just kind of sucked. It basically was just combining rumble features and luck into one. Not a good combination. Let's just hope that we can find our fitting again, because we got a dual minigame, and actually our final dual minigame of the entire game, that being Trick or Treat. So let's get to the review, shall we? Please be good. So here's how you play this minigame. You and your opponents are in a dreary field with 4 trees that range in height behind you. They will move around and mix around, and you will not know which one is the tallest. And your job is to basically pick a tree and hope it's taller than the one your opponent chose. Yep, and that's it. And I will tell you right now that there is absolutely nothing I can really say good about this minigame at all. Because this minigame is absolute garbage. Because I will tell you right now, luck factors in dual minigames should not be a thing. Because that basically is, we're talking about something that literal stars are betted on. And I don't want to have a luck-based minigame completely change that. I can understand with something like a board event doing that, but this is basically just ridiculous. I can at least say this, that this minigame does basically reward you for choosing a taller tree than your opponent, instead of just randomly picking a winner. But I will say right now, that's basically the only positive I can say about this minigame, and it's a very, very small one. This is just ridiculous! It's literally impossible to tell which tree is the tallest. It basically is just a minigame where you just gotta hope things go right for you. This is just obscene. Because how can you structure a minigame like this? And the fact that this is the last dual minigame for this entire game just makes this blunder unbearably painful. Let's just get to the overall review, shall we? I'm very sorry to say, but this is not what I meant by trying to find our footing again! Do I seriously want to think that a luck-based minigame can find our footing again? Absolutely not. Because this is basically what it is. A luck-based minigame. I do like the setting of it, but the fact that the best thing I can say about a minigame is the literal setting is just abysmal. The fact that that's the case just basically implies that this minigame has nothing else good to it besides that. And that's true. It's just complete luck. And I at least can appreciate that if you go for a taller tree than your opponent, you win, and not just randomly picking a winner. Like, pitiful. But that still doesn't excuse this minigame from a 1 star! How can you mess up this so bad? At least there's only like 5 reviews left. The first of those being Tricky Tires. See you guys then. I'm not even gonna end it out here because of this abomination amongst men.